Hey guys, welcome back to Multi-Theft Auto Junkie scripting tutorial series. Oh, that was long. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make another command like last time, but instead of getting your position, you're going to use it to get another player's position. So, let's get started. First off, you're going to need to make a function. I already did in a command handler, which I already did. I made the function get other position with the arguments command and arg, which is just gonna be, let's rename that to player to find. Yeah, okay, and then you just, yeah, I already taught you that. Next you're gonna need to get a table. What a table is like a list of values. Sometimes a list of values, for example, like this. L equals open bracket, close bracket, and then you have more tables inside of that, which probably doesn't make sense to you right now, but so I'll just show you the basic ones. We're gonna need to get a table of all the player elements by using the command get elements by type. Get the type as, say, player, close quotation marks, get rid of that, and yep, that's it. Now we're gonna need to use a for loop. What this is, it will go through, it's hard to explain. Basically it just goes through this table and outputs the data for you to use. So it will give you the index and the data that's at the index. So basically for index value and I pairs sorry about that, someone was yelling. For IV and I pairs, players do in. Now you have the player element. Now, so basically what you can do is use an if statement. I guess I'll go over what if statements are too. So basically what an if statement does is it lets you check if something equals to something or is greater than or less than something, for like whatever you want. You check to see if something is what you want it to be. And if it is, then do this. And if it's not, then check if it's this. And if it's not that, then just do this. Like if Bob equal angry, then blah blah, else if Bob equals, it's supposed to be two equal signs for if statements to check if something's equal to something else. Else if Bob equals sad, then cry cry, else and else strangle. Hopefully that makes sense. If you need help, just comment in the comment section. Alright, so remove that. If V equals the local player, since this is a client side script, then and you want the server to tell them u/get position. Basically this is saying if the player the player is trying to get the coordinates of equals the local player, then send them a message saying to use the other command. And then it says, and if they're anybody else, then do this. if get player name v equals player to find chords of, I almost forgot this, equals player to find, otherwise it would be a local variable and we wouldn't be able to access it from the for loop. Player to find chords, then end. So now we have it so it checks and goes through all the players and finds the one that has the right name. Now we need to use what we used last time to print output chatbot, or print the coordinates and set the to their clipboard. So for what we could do for this is just copy, paste, make it look pretty. And from here you could just replace local player with V, and we're done. Let's go test it. Let me load up my game. Alright, I'm back. So if you have a black screen, it's probably because we stopped play, and we will make a script next episode that spawns us out a bunch of one of these selected, one spawn of from these like table of different spawn locations. There we go. So we don't have this problem. So just log in. Restart play, or start play. Stop play. And yeah. So now we need to go ahead and restart our script, which it was called position command, I believe. And we're going to need to test the command now. Get player player. Now let's see what happened. Apparently there was an error. EOF expected near end. And one too many ends. My bad. Okay, so get player was player, and then get put. As you can see, there's a difference, and it was getting the other player's position. Now you could do this for all kinds of things. You could set element data, check for what their gang is. You could use this for just about anything. This also works both server and client side, but you'll have to tweak it a little bit. Yeah. So that's it for this episode. Next episode we'll be creating a simple spawn system, and probably script a simple game mode like TDM or something. Maybe a new free roam. Anyways, that's the end of this. See you later.